Hey everyone, I'm absolutely dumping sweat at the moment. I just finished running and the temperature today is 31 degrees. It's sunny, it's hot, it's humid, but great workout. I enjoyed doing it. It was hard because of the heat, but I feel fantastic now. Dan Inosanto, if you're unfamiliar with him, he was a training partner of Bruce Lee, and he knew the importance of endurance, as did Bruce Lee. Maybe not early on in his career, but later on. There's a rumor that Bruce Lee fought a legendary kung fu guy named Jack Man, and some people say that the fight supposedly took a lot longer than Bruce Lee had hoped it would, and he noticed that his endurance was really pushed to the limit. He felt like he got a lot more tired than he would have liked. So then after that fight, he began to really work on increasing his stamina, his endurance. Bruce Lee was a big fan, apparently, of cycling, running, and jumping rope. I'm not averse to doing any kind of cardio. There's benefit and there's joys to be had from doing them all. Endurance, if you've played sports before, you will know that when you become tired, if you're breathing hard, it becomes a lot more difficult to focus, and it becomes a lot more difficult to coordinate things. So, for example, if you've ever been to a boxing gym and you've watched guys spar, or you've watched fights on TV, some guys will beat others, not because of skill, but just because of better stamina, better endurance. If you have good stamina, you can keep pushing, keep attacking someone, and just wear the other person down. And then over time, their skill drops and it becomes a lot easier to land punches on them. We've seen this with some well-known UFC fighters, and it's true of other sports. It's not always the guy with the most skill that wins, but often it's a combination of endurance and skill. If you have great stamina, you can keep attacking, and just wear someone down through attrition. So I'm a huge fan of doing stamina work. As you have seen on my channel, I've got a playlist that's devoted to increasing stamina and endurance. And one thing which I tend to do, if I'm going to be doing some cardio, some long duration cardio, for example, even like a hike, or I will do some intense activity before I do the other activity, because doing that activity at the beginning causes some fatigue and it makes the workout itself more challenging. So you have to really draw on your concentration reserves. And when you're already tired going into a workout, it can make it a lot more challenging and in some ways more fun. So learn from the likes of Bruce Lee and other athletes. Look at Roy Jones, Floyd Mayweather, for example, two phenomenal boxers. What do they love doing in their time off? Playing basketball. Same with a lot of athletes. They incorporate tons of different cardio into their lives because there's benefits to be had from doing them all.